Alright, guys, welcome to the Crypto Paradox. My name is Sarvesh, and I'm the technical access guy, and I analyst in crypto markets and Bitcoin market. And today it's 9th of August, and the time is 6:18 p.m. IST, and we'll go into the video. Okay, welcome, guys. This is the Bitcoin day chart, and I didn't do videos 2 days, and I was having some family work from work, and other thing is like I was busy, so I didn't do the video. And uh, if I did, I would have updated that we are rejecting. If I did the video, I will be updating that yesterday, like we are rejecting the 200 MA. And what today happened is like we are closing, we haven't closed it yet, but we have crossed the 200 moving average, which was 200 moving average is kind of a resistance zone which we are facing yesterday, and today we have crossed it. That's one of the good news. But the thing is, like there is still 11 hours pending for the day close, and I want this day close to be above the 200-day moving average. I want this candle to go to 48k to 49k zone, which I already mentioned in my previous videos. And also I don't want this to come below monthly opening and weekly opening. If it is rejecting the 200 moving average and it is coming till the 42k, it's fine, but I want a bounce back from there, and I just want it to go to again 48k. If that happens, it's fine. But what if it breaks the 40 moving average, sorry, it's not moving average, it's for the monthly opening level, and what if it again breaks weekly opening, like we are officially rejecting this level? That's kind of a bearish scenario which we don't want to happen. But that's what I just wanted it to cross the for 45k level, and I want this to cross even the 51k level, and I want this bull market to continue. And if that happens, it's kind of a good news for us, for all the altcoins as well as the Bitcoin people. And if you see the Ethereum is so bullish right now that we are currently in the level of 3000 level, which is kind of a level where when the Bitcoin is like 62k, uh, at the time only we used to have this level, and now it's having, and it has the potential to go even the 4000 level. And like I'm so bullish in the Ethereum, as I already told you that Ethereum BTC chart also it's acting good, and we are getting rejected in this level 0.0726 level, and we are just lowering the Ethereum level compared to against the BTC level, because BTC is pumping and Ethereum is kind of going the sideways. That's not problem, guys. Anyway, we are still having the rejection and it's pumping. So I hope everything's going as expected. And if you see the BTC dominance, that I already told you that we are still in the, it's going the sideways market, and we are also still in the these trend lines that we can reclaim it as a ascending triangle, or also you can reclaim it as a for rising wedge. But I just want this trend line to break out, and we are rejected in even though we are rejected in this 20 moving average, like still we rejected upwards and also we rejected downwards. That still it's moving the sideways market, so it's kind of the market is in confusion. And also when it comes to others dominance, also we are showing some strength, and we are testing the trend line, the lower trend line. See guys, we respected the trend line and it's going. So I just want to break out officially, and I want this to go upwards. And also I want this to like leading it to the total market cap to cross this level, that 1.82 level, 1.82 trillion dollars. We are still having a huge resistance there. I just want this to break, and want to hit it to 2.154 trillion dollars level. And if you see the DXY, that DXY is kind of working in this sideways market, as I already mentioned. This box, we are moving the sideways market, and it got tested yesterday. Sorry, it got tested today and we got rejected. But I want this to come downwards and to move in the sideways direction. I don't want to break it upwards as well as to break it downwards. I want this to break it downwards. Sorry, I don't want it to break it upwards. If in case of breaking it upwards, it will be going to this 93 level, and it is kind of a bearish scenario for all the market, including the crypto and Bitcoin market, because that all the money in the market will be flowing into the US dollars, and it will lead to like reduce the it's S&P index volatility levels, and the US oil, that we are still, we are official about the trend line, we are still going downwards. If you see the gold market also, like we got downwards and we got rejected, but still it's moving in the downwards direction. And also it will lead to the S&P futures to fall down, that we are testing the trend line again. If in case of DXY increasing, it will again come into the downwards level, that we will be testing this trend line. So I don't want this DXY to break above. And like I already just told you guys that I already told you the bullish and bearish scenario. If in case of bearish scenario, we will be like going to 42k level and we have to bounce back, or else we will be like testing the monthly opening and to bounce, or else the weekly opening. If these three bounces happened, it's kind of a, still we have a chance to be in the bullish. But if it breaks the weekly level, it's kind of a bearish news for us. I don't want that to happen. Like there's a chance of that, there's chance that we are still in the, we are in the bear market, I like that. But I don't want to mention that one, because this 200 moving average is like, we broke this, and I want this candle to close, and we need to see the potential highs. And if you see guys that like what to say, this 200 moving average, we are testing it after the May 27th. That's the last time we tested, and we tested it again. So let's see what's happening. And okay guys, and I'm concluding this video. And if you guys want to join my Discord channel server link, where I'll be posting my my daily levels for trade, I will be placing the Discord link in the description, and also subscribe to the channel. If you like this content, please like it, share it to your friends, share it to your family, share it to everyone you know. And comment guys if you are having any doubts regarding